Hey guys, have you ever thought about how cars will look in the future? I mean really, in 10 or 20 years, will we even recognize them? Today I want to chat with you about the future of the automotive industry, where cars are heading, how it's going to change our lives, and what it means for us as drivers. Stay with me till the end, you might be surprised at what's coming. First up, electric cars. Petrol and diesel? That's old news. More companies are moving to electric. Cheaper to run. Better for the environment, less noise and less pollution. But here's what I want to know. If electric cars were affordable, would you buy one? Comment below. Seriously, tell me yes or no. Next, self-driving cars. Yeah, cars that literally drive themselves. Tesla, Google, Apple, everyone's working on it. You could sit back, relax, even take a nap. But let's be real. Would you trust a car to drive you all by itself? I want to know your honest answer. Cars are getting smarter. They talk to your phone, show real-time traffic. Even have voice assistants. Sounds great, right? But there's a catch. They know where you go, they collect data about you. So tell me, would you be okay with your car knowing everything about you? Yes or no? Let's discuss. It's not just cars going electric, even factories are changing, using recycled materials, cutting down waste, running on solar power. Because people care about the planet now. Quick question, is being eco-friendly important to you when buying a car? Drop your answer in the comments. Here's something wild. In the future, you might not even own a car. Car-sharing apps. Subscriptions pay-per-use models. Especially in big cities, it's getting less practical to own one. Tell me, could you live without owning your own car? I want to see your answers. Future cars won't just be electric and smart, they'll look different too. Touchscreens everywhere. Augmented reality displays gesture and voice controls. Imagine saying start and your car turns on. So tell me, what's one feature you really want in your future car? Be creative. Share your dream feature below. Alright friends, that's a look at the future of the automotive industry. Electric cars, self-driving tech, smart features, greener production, maybe even no more owning cars at all. Things are changing fast and it's exciting. If you enjoyed this chat, hit like, subscribe for more simple, real talk about tech and life. Share this video with someone who loves cars. And before you go, here's my question for you. What's the one thing you hope cars of the future will have? Don't leave without dropping your answer in the comments. Let's talk.